Hello and welcome, folks. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Milk, Lactose Free, Cherry, Natural Flavor. And first thing you gotta do is you open up the carton of lactose free milk and you pour it into this mug. And after that, last but not least, you open up this can of cherry natural flavor sparkling water and you pour it into this mug. And there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated milk, lactose free, cherry natural flavor. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Happy New Year, by the way.